Hey, it's Lexi and I'm back. After doing some more research, I've kind of fine-tuned my talking head shot. Got the wide-angle, giant hands look, soft key light, a nice little rim light going on, and I'm getting the hang of this. I've come a long way since the days of introducing myself in front of a wall of pictures dressed in a lab coat. It was awkward, but we all got through it. So what's next? How about a clean slate? Okay, I'll be the first to admit that the wall isn't quite as clean as it looked in that picture, but I'm a photographer. Photoshop happens. After tearing down my gallery wall of 8 years, I needed to put something else up in its place. Dated images are not inspiring, but neither are old Velcro strips. At first, I tried to be productive with a bunch of Post-its and organizing shoots that I have quoted and am working on and need to deliver. Then COVID happened, so I didn't have any more shoots. So I pivoted to developing other skills during this time, like video, of course. And while thinking about it, it hit me. I have organization elsewhere in the studio. Why not do it on the main wall? After doing some research for organization systems that can be up there, I reached out to Wall Control, and a few days later, I got a special delivery. It wouldn't be a chemist video without an awkward unboxing, and this is the biggest one yet. Actually, make that the biggest 4 yet. With every new unboxing, I have the pleasure of delivering play-by-play commentary on the awkwardness that is me in front of the camera. To speed things up and minimize the bruise to my ego, I'm only going to show you the first panel. Okay, so now that we're unboxed and measured out, let's really have a clean slate. I heard peeling tape is ASMR, whatever that means. With the unboxing complete and the wall ready to go, it's time to screw it. I mean, drill it. Then we can screw it. Over and over again. I was making good progress getting the wall up, even recorded this cute little time lapse to rival all these DIY YouTubers. And then I remembered I'm not one of those, I'm a photographer, so it was time for a creative break. So I dug out my old Pixel stick, set up a shooting table, popped up a strip box, and this is what I got. That was exactly what I needed. Now back to work. Now, of course, a clean slate is just the beginning. I'm super excited with how this install came out, but there's much more to come. Thank you to Wall Control for supplying the panels, and stay tuned for a full review of which accessories go where, as well as the reveal of the final product. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.